What if the most powerful thing you could do was nothing at all? No messages, no reactions, no explanations. What if disappearing completely made her think about you more than ever? Most men believe attraction is built through effort, through consistency, through always being present. But the human mind doesn't crave what it already has. It craves what suddenly becomes unavailable. And when you disappear, something shifts inside her psychology. Not immediately, not dramatically, but quietly and deeply. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly what happens in her mind day by day when you step back. Not to manipulate, not to play games, but to understand why absence often creates more impact than presence ever did. Let's start at the beginning. Day 1. Nothing happens. And that's exactly the point. On the first day you disappear, she doesn't panic. She may not even notice. Women receive attention all the time. If you stop reaching out, she assumes you're busy, distracted, or simply taking space. There is no emotional loss yet. If her interest in you was lukewarm, she might even welcome the silence. It feels neutral, comfortable. This is where most men get it wrong. They expect instant results. They expect silence to be felt immediately. It isn't. At this stage, she still believes she has control. She assumes you'll come back, just like most men do. There is no urgency, no tension. Her glass is still full. Day 2 and day 3. This is when the pattern breaks. By the second or third day, something subtle changes. She notices your absence, not emotionally, not consciously, but mentally. At first, it's just a passing thought. He hasn't texted today, then she shrugs it off. But here's the psychological shift. You broke a pattern if you were always checking in, always reacting to her stories, always initiating conversations. That predictability felt. Now it's gone. And unpredictability creates curiosity. She may start testing without realizing it, posting something online, a photo, a quote, not to chase you, but to see if you react. If she sees you active somewhere, she pays closer attention. Does he acknowledge me? Does he look away? By the end of day 3, doubt appears. Did I misread him? Is he losing interest? But she still won't reach out. Her ego expects you to break first. Day 4 and day 5. Now she's paying attention. She checks her phone more often, not directly for you, but with quiet expectation. And when your name doesn't appear, a small sting hits. She thought you were just pulling away briefly. She expected you to cave, but you didn't. She might reread old messages, check when you were last online, scroll through conversations, not because she's obsessed, but because she wants reassurance. This is the first real shift. Instead of assuming she had you, she starts questioning whether she ever did, and that uncertainty makes you occupy more space in her mind than constant presence ever could. Day 6 and day 7. Confusion replaces control. Now the silence feels different. It's no longer neutral. It's uncomfortable. Women don't like not knowing. By now, she expected something, a reaction, a mistake, a sign, but there's nothing. And that absence disrupts her sense of control. This isn't about missing you yet. It's about losing certainty. And when certainty disappears, emotion starts replacing logic. Days 8 to 10. This is where fear appears. Fear that you're slipping away. Fear that your interest is gone. Fear that she misjudged the situation. And one thought becomes dominant. What if he moved on? Women don't just fear losing a man, they fear being replaced. The idea that you might have found someone else, someone who excites you more, someone who doesn't complicate things, someone who earned your attention naturally. That idea disturbs her deeply. And that's when regret starts forming. Days 11 to 14. Now it's no longer just about you, it's about her. She replays everything. Did I push him away? Did I undervalue him? Did I assume too much? Her ego takes a hit. She was used to being chased, used to men returning, used to control, but you didn't argue. You didn't explain, you didn't react, you gave silence. And silence forces introspection. She might start checking your stories more often, interacting with old posts, asking mutual friends about you. She may even act overly unbothered, posting about how happy she is. But if she truly didn't care, none of this would be happening. Days 15 to 17, frustration turns into urgency. She wants clarity. The silence feels unbearable because this wasn't how the story was supposed to go. You were supposed to reach out, to prove you still cared. But you didn't. She feels the urge to break the silence without looking desperate. So she tries indirect moves, a song lyric, a casual question through a friend, a meaningless message just to see if you respond. This is where most men fail again. They rush in too early, but she isn't reaching out to reconnect yet. She's reaching out to feel safe. And if you give that reassurance too soon, the tension collapses. Days 18 to 20. Fear deepens. Now she's facing a painful possibility. Maybe she underestimated you. Maybe you're actually gone. Her confidence fades. Her sense of control disappears. Up until now, she believed one thing. He'll come back eventually, but you didn't. And that changes everything. Days 21 to 25. She's no longer just thinking, she's planning. She starts looking for ways to pull your attention back. Indirectly. A throwback photo showing up where you might be. Acting unbothered to see if you react. She's not over you. She's testing if you're over her. Days 26 to 30. The roles fully reverse. For weeks, she believed you needed her. Now she realizes something far more uncomfortable. She needs you. This is when her actions become direct. She texts you, casual, safe, vague. She brings up memories, finds reasons to see you. Her energy softens, she becomes warmer, more attentive. Because her biggest fear now isn't losing you, it's that she already has. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Women don't miss men who are always available. They miss the men they feel they're losing. Disappearing isn't about manipulation. It's about revealing reality. If she truly cared, she wouldn't let you go so easily. If she never cared, your absence wouldn't affect her at all. But if she starts doubting, panicking, and chasing, that tells you everything. And if you've ever pulled away and watched someone suddenly change, you already know how powerful silence can be.